Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, screens unlocked, and devices near each other. Once done, open Control Center and set Airdrop to contacts only or everyone, depending on who you trust. Make sure personal hotspot and VPNs are off because they interfere with peer discovery. If contacts only fails, temporarily choose everyone to isolate permission issues. Walk through these steps now so the discovery process can begin. This avoids wasted time on retries and gives you a clean baseline. Once devices are discoverable, you diagnose deeper problems by restarting both devices to clear transient radio issues. Then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, because a quick reset often restores the peer link. Make sure both devices run compatible iOS or macOS versions. Mismatched features sometimes block transfers. Confirm the recipient app accepts the file type and that there is enough storage. If transfers hang, watch the progress indicator and cancel, then retry rather than forcing power cycles right away. You finish by accepting the incoming airdrop on the receiving device, tapping the preview and choosing Save to Photos or the relevant app. Once accepted, wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. Do not close screens or walk out of range. If transfers repeatedly fail, reset network settings or sign out and back into iCloud to refresh credentials. As a key troubleshooting tip, always test with a small file first to confirm the fix before sending large items. This saves time and reveals remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.